Hello, my unique queens. QuianaUnique here. Welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing video of the Your Natural Hair box. I got this in a couple weeks ago and it's time to open it. So you guys were blessed with another video. I didn't wait till next week. I couldn't wait till next week. I was so excited to go ahead and open this box. So there's two videos in this week. If you did not see the last video, definitely check that out on my channel. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of my videos, whether you like hair products or if you like DIYs or fashion, any of those. That's what I love to do the most on my channel. So definitely check those out. Hit that subscribe button and yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep talking. You guys clicked on this video to see what was in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I have already taken that seal off and I'm gonna make sure I don't drop everything on the floor. But we're gonna open this up and yes, first thing that comes out. Okay, so in every one of these boxes, there is the paper here that talks about the products that are inside. Some of these boxes, if you did not know, there is a company that'll probably take over the whole box and you'll get everything from one company. Then sometimes there's a bunch of different products in there. Most of the products that come in there are full size. Sometimes you'll be blessed with some bonuses, which I really like. And if you are not subscribed to any of these boxes, I have to say this. I have a coupon code that you guys can use and save 10% off of Your Natural Hair box subscription. So go ahead, it'll be down in the description below, so that way you can go ahead and definitely, I love to save, so you'll be able to save. But anyway, let's get back to this box. So I'm not gonna open, seriously. So I'm not going to open this just yet because I don't want to ruin the surprise of what's actually in the box. And I see something's peeking out right down here, so I'm excited. Let's see. Open. Oh my gosh. Are you ready, you guys? This was almost a whole box of Cream of Nature. I'm excited. Can you guys see? I'm going to show you each product one by one, but this is a box full of stuff, you guys. See that? A box full. Okay, so as the product started jumping out at me, I decided to set the box down. So I'm going to pull up my first product, which is right here. This is Cream of Nature's Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Conditioner for damaged hair. Now, I really like to use products for damaged hair, even though my hair is not damaged. It's like you can't go wrong because it's super treating your hair. And okay, my favorite fruit is mango, but of course I'm not supposed to eat this. I'm excited. Okay, conditioner. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, that's good. It's not a strong scent, which I'm really liking, but it has a very nice smell to it. Okay, so the mango, it conditions and protects. Of course, shea butter moisturizes and softens. So those are the two main ingredients in here, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other stuff. I'm not going to bore you with all the details, but product number one was a conditioner. Okay, now I'm going to stick with that since there's more products in this one here. Now this one is the Cream of Nature, the Mango and Shea Butter, but this is the shampoo. Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo for damaged hair. All right, and then attached to it is more of the conditioner. So not only did I get a full-size conditioner and shampoo, but I actually got a little sample of the conditioner as well. So we have those two things in there from Cream of Nature. Awesome. All right, the thing that jumped out of the box at me was this beauty here. Okay, now this one is the Wet and Wavy Wet and Wavy Curl Cream, salon proven formula. It calms frizz and flyaways, defines curls and controls flowing waves, restores moisture balance. That last one, restores moisture balance, is awesome. Never used this product before. I am excited about it, but this is full size product number 3. I'm already excited. Like that, all of that alone is enough for me. But there's one more thing, and I have tried this and I love this. It is here we go. Actually, this one has jojoba oil in it. Okay, so I don't know. I made a video a long time ago with this mousse. This is a Smooths and Shines polish. This is a curled up curl activating mousse. This one has jojoba oil and it's a number 8 for a strong hold. I have used this brand mousse before, not this particular one. This one has jojoba oil. I believe the one that I had didn't have jojoba oil in it, but I absolutely loved it. Everything that it says it does, it defines your curls. Your hair is not like super crunchy. There's no flaking. I really, really love this whenever I'm doing my Primrod set. I use this kind of mousse or flexi rods. I tend to use this as well. I don't like to use gels because I don't feel like I'm getting it through my hair an even amount to do those things. But with mousse, I love it. So I'm excited. I'm definitely keeping this one, you guys. I am definitely keeping it. I see all of these products. I'm definitely going to try and share with you guys, and I'm trying to pick it all up. Give me just a second. Okay, here we go. All of these goodies in this box. I can say this was definitely a win, win, win. Great box for the month of March that I am opening in April, but who cares? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And definitely check out Your Natural Hair Box on their site and use the coupon code down below to save 10% off of your subscription. As always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.